and today I want to unbox it. Can you guys guess what this is? Unbox it. Yeah, so let's start. Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ, and today guys we have an unboxing. so yeah this is what I have. I got this parcel over a week ago and I've not had time to open it. I've been doing a lot of work trainings, work. I've been busy, and today I want to unbox it. Can you guys guess what this is? Anybody that can guess what it is? What will I do for the person? Well, people will still see it at the end of the day, yeah? But yeah, and unbox it. Unbox it. Yeah, so let's start. I think I will flip the camera now to do it in a portrait mode so that I can post it on my short and on my Instagram. Yeah. So guys, this is my DJI OSMO Pocket 3 Creators Combo camera. Yeah. So let's unbox this together. So this is this memory card. Yeah. And this is the camera. I got this couple of days ago, up to 1 week ago. Yeah, it's up to 1 week, but I've not had time to unbox it. So yeah, let's unbox together. In fact, I'm ripping it off. This is what we have. So I've seen a lot of creators unbox this, talk about it. I mean, one thing I like about this camera is the size. I film with my phone. I also have a camera, yeah. But when I saw the size of this and the reviews about this and everything it came with, I was like, God, it's high time you got this. I mean, I've been seeing a lot of reviews. Everybody just talking about it. I'm not the type that goes with trend. Like if something is raining, I'll run and buy it. If something is raining, I'll run and buy it. I don't do that. I do not do that. But I really needed this because sometimes I film with my phone. Before you know it, my memory is filled up. My camera, I'm transferring. It was a lot. So I needed something that I will film with comfortably. And this came in handy. Yeah, so let's open it up. Yeah. Come on. So yeah. You guys can see I'm super duper excited. Super. DJI OSMO Pocket 3 Creators Combo. So it's sealed here. Come on. Let's take this out. I'm just in a hurry doing this, you guys. I'm just in a hurry doing this because I need to go pick my daughter from school. And if I don't do this today, I don't know when next I'll have time to do it. And I need to start filming with it for you guys. I need to start filming. So yeah. You guys ready? Let's do this. So open it. What's this? Silica gel thingy. And this is what we have. This is the bag. I can't believe I'm doing this. Yo, I got it for myself. I mean, for myself. It will make my vlogging, my content creation job much easier. So yeah, that's why I invested in this. You guys, this thing is an investment though. It is an investment because it costs a lot of money. I mean, a lot of money. So yeah. This. And I think that's all in the box. This is DJI OSMO Creator Combo safety guideline on how to use it. Safety guideline. What's this? Something else. There are a lot of small papers in here. DJI, whatever. Quick start guide. So these things are like their manuals and guide. Yeah. So let's keep that aside. So we start the main. So this is the bag. Let's see what we have in this bag. Let's see. So yeah. DJI. I love the packaging. These people finish work with packaging. These people finished work with packaging. Can you guys see? So we open it. This is the camera, you guys. Oh my god, this thing is too small. Oh my god. This thing is too small. That's the camera. Okay. Okay, where is the lens? Okay, this is the lens. This is the camera. You guys. So yeah, this one. So this is the handle. The handle. Yeah, I think that's the handle. Easy. I don't know. I will put up everything so you guys can see. But yeah, this is, what is this one? Let's see what we have here. I think it's also part of the handle because there's something like this. Maybe you put it here. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm just showing you guys for now. When I figure it out, you guys will see every. So here is a little stand. This is like a tripod stand thingy. Yeah. Okay. There's a stand. I'll figure it out. I will surely figure it out. What again do we have? Here is the charger. Here is the windshield, the microphone windshield, I think. Yeah, okay. So that's the wind. That's the windshield. The windshield with the strap. This is the strap. And I think this is the microphone that will just attach somewhere here. That's the microphone. Silica gel, just for preserving it or something. So that is all. Is that all? Okay, no. I think there's something else here. Ooh. Okay, so this is this little thing. This is like the lens cover. It's so tiny. And what is this one? Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Oh, this is like a magnet. Okay, I think it's a magnet for the microphone. Yeah, that's like a magnet. You put it inside and then magnet it here for the microphone. Hope all these things doesn't fall off. Okay, so that's all we have in the bag, and obviously this is the bag. Yeah, I don't think there's any other thing in this bag. So let's pop our stuffs back, and then so let's just put this ones back in the bag with the strap. And then this one, let's see what is in here. I don't know what this is, but let's see. Okay. Protective cover. Okay, so this is the protective cover for the camera. So yeah. This is the protective cover for the camera. So this is our set. Creator combo set. Creator combo set. See, start telling me congratulations in the comment section because this is an investment, you guys. It is an investment. It is an investment. So yeah, I'm so happy I got this. So before I got the camera, I already got this. So this is a memory card, and this is, I think, 236 gig. I think so. Memory card I got this from Amazon. So let's see. Yeah, so this is the memory card, 256. You guys see 256 memory card, micro SDC UHS card with adapter. So yeah, that is what I have. So guys, we have our DJI OSMO Creator Combo, and our vlogs will be little. So guys, that is all we have in the box. Our camera is here, DJI OSMO Creators Combo Pocket. three creators combo. I'm just saying it anyhow. So our vlog will be little. So stay glued to this channel. If you're not yet subscribe to my channel because it's going to be back to back. Yeah, so I think I'll talk to you guys later. I'll take a picture of it, do a video of all the accessories, and still put it up in this vlog. Okay, okay. You guys can see how excited I am. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Mwah.